Okay, so what I have here is the motor out of that Holmes box fan that was really rusted out on the bottom. I threw the rest of the fan out because there's just no way to fix it, but I saved the smaller bits like the motor here, and I got the handle somewhere else. So it's a Holmes motor. I don't know if that's going to show it. There we go. And it still works. So what I have here, this is the hub of a Wasco blade. And the blade's right here. As you can see, they broke off because this is the fan that we used to use in our skylight. And it got really sun bleached and the blades are just completely brittle. See? And the rest of the fans down there take it apart too. But I've got the hub here, and what I'm going to find out is how much air do the fins inside of a box fan hub move. So, got the motor set to low, switch, let's plug it in. Motorcycle, but it's fine. Hang on. I should have done this beforehand, but whatever. I can't actually feel. It's not like a lot of air. It's about how much of like a liquid HV4 would move. See how far it can move now. It's about 3 inches away. Let's try it farther. And it's still moving a little bit. I mean, I can feel it, and that's on low. That's on medium. Moves a little bit more. See how far it can move this thing now. Over here. Actually, it kind of feels about the same. Let's try it on high. Put the knob on the other fan, otherwise I'd use it here. That knob fixed it. Oh, dang. Well, probably should have tried it like that first. Let's see how far it can move now. Oh, it's definitely blowing more than before. See if it can blow that away. Yep. Can't quite blow it away, but it is moving it now. So yeah, there's just a video about how much air the fins inside a fan blade can move. Thanks for watching.